You have to run for your life. Please, you have to go.
What happened?
There's no time to start telling stories. You have to go now, please.
Run for my life from what, EJ? What happened?
You don't have any option. Erimma, you have to go. You have to.
EJ, I cannot run from my fatherland. I cannot run away like that. Hey, where will I run to? My father is dead. My mother is dead. I cannot go to my maternal grandmother's house because they don't like me there. I'm going to meet the Igwe. Let him kill me himself.
No, you can't meet the Igwe now. Please. Erimma, hide.
Jamaka.
No.
What are you doing here?
No, I was looking for a place to ease myself.
You left all the bushes around your father's house and come to this lonely place to ease yourself?
No,
Don't worry. Keep looking for a place to ease yourself. But I know that a child who is clever enough to run away from the moon and go inside to sleep at night cannot run away from the sun in the morning when the sun comes out. I have to see your father. He has to keep a close watch on you.
This man and this is too tiny. You cannot tell one place. Erimma, come out, he has gone. Erimma.
What do you think you're doing here?
Obina, what are you doing here?
Oh, you think you can run away after killing Igwe Okonta's son, eh?
I'm innocent. I didn't kill the Igwe's son.
You're going to the palace right?
No.
I said you're going to the palace!
No! This place is not safe. I have to leave you, please. It's not safe.
Ezechina, where are you going to?
Meaning? I'm tired, I'm going home.
You're going home. Ezechina, I have to go back and let's finish this work. We just have to finish this work today.
Keep working, me, I'm going home. He who runs to fight another day is the greatest warrior. I cannot come and kill myself.
Ezechina, listen. The greatest warrior that I know is the one that makes sure he defeats his enemy.
Thank you. Alright, keep working. When I get home, I'll tell your mother to prepare big food for you. Double the quantity you eat before. You know you eat more than me. Me, I eat little.
Eat
and stop me. So keep working. Work and stop what I do.
Let's just give ourselves 1 hour to finish this work. Let's get done with this today.
I cannot come and kill myself. I'm tired. I'm sweating. Thank you very much.
You're very lazy. Yeah? Anyway, tell Mama that I'm coming.
What has become of my friend, Erimma? I'm worried about her sudden disappearance. Oh, Chimo. Let the gods of our land protect her wherever she is. But come to think of that, is she really guilty of the charges against her? Oh. Good day, Nai.
Thank you very much. Is your father at home?
Yes, Nai. Let me go and call him.
Okay, please do so. Thank you very much.
Papa.
Please come and sit down.
Thank you very much. Hey, as a matter of fact, thank you very much. I was actually on my way to the farm and I said, how will I pass through the front of your house without seeing you first?
You are right. How's your family?
They are fine. Very, very fine. But, excuse me, have you gone to the house of little Obiozo to see things by yourself? I mean, concerning what happened?
No, I have not.
Oh, you need to go and see things by yourself. I told you the last time I came here that Igwe will not relent in taking vengeance over that evil girl.
Are you saying that the house of Obiazo is truly burnt down?
Totally razed. Totally razed down. It was burnt together with the evil girl. Not even a pin was left.
Wait. What you are telling me now is that the daughter of Obiozo is no more.
Oh yes, she's dead.
The wages of evil is death. My brother, our fathers used to say that if a lizard with 2 tails is not eliminated, the one with 3 tails will appear.
That is very correct. Very, very true. Evil is evil and must be eliminated. Else, it will give birth to grandchildren. That girl is gone and gone for the good of our community.
It is for the good of our community, Amode.
Exactly.
Who knows who would have been her victim tomorrow?
Who knows?
See, our king, the Igwe, he has taken a right decision.
Wow, my brother, let me get to the farm.
Okay.
I'll be here in the evening to see you too.
It's okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much. My friend.
One good.
Let me see, when I'm coming back from the farm, I'll bring grass cutter. But please, next time don't fall again. Thank you very much.
Ijamaka,
Papa.
get me water to drink.
I forgot that I've not checked my trap today. That means today might be my lucky day. No meat. No animal. Think I need a fresh cassava to put on this thing. And I think I should go further inside the bush. Okay. Oi.
Afa! Come on. At this time. Here. No, this is not how to work. How can?
I thought you went out. I didn't know you were still inside.
No, I was busy inside. Where is your son, Ezeshina?
He just left a few minutes ago. Anything the matter?
But no. I'm worried. I've not seen my son. He has not come back from the farm. I don't know what he's doing there.
Are you serious? He didn't come back with his brother.
Ezeshina told me that he said he wants to finish up what he's doing in the farm. I'm worried.
Ugoma, you seem to have forgotten the kind of son you have in Ofodile. In the whole of this Umu of the community, there is no young man as industrious as he is. Leave him, let him walk.
He works himself too much. Too much. Mba, I want to go and fetch him.
Let him be. He will certainly come home.
This is not how to work now. From morning till this time. Here. Come on. Let me go and look for him. I'll come back later. I'll come back. Yeah.
Women and their sons. Will you go and bring him, carry him on your back or what? Ah. Goma.
Good day, Naomenife.
Ah, good day, my beautiful daughter. How are you?
I'm fine.
Hi, beautiful girl. So, whose daughter are you in this community?
I'm Iche Enoka's daughter. My name is Afoma.
Afoma. What a beautiful name.
Thank you.
Afoma. So, Iche Enoka has a grown-up girl like you. Eh? So, are you the one they say just came back from the city?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, Iche Enoka has a very beautiful daughter like you. So, how is your father?
He's fine. I have to be on my way now. I'm going to the stream to fetch water.
You are going to the stream?
Yes, Nai.
Okay. Go well, eh?
Thank you, Nai.
No? So Iche Enoka has a very beautiful daughter like this. Look at her. Okonkwo. Nkomo. This is what I call Oyebiko. This is the type of girl like you. Ugoma, how are you?
What are you staring at?
Me staring at something? No, I was just here counting, you know. I'm trying to calculate the profit I will make from some investment that I just made. Yes. So where are you heading?
I'm going to the farm. I'm going to look for Ofo. He left for the farm since morning. He has not returned.
Ofo delay? Ah, you see? You see why I talk of you? You are so caring. Eh? Okay, now you are going to the farm to look for your son who went to the farm since morning. You see now, you are very caring. Little wonder that my late brother was very fond of you when he was alive. Eh? Good man.
Menife, I don't want to laugh.
No, this is no laughing matter. It's no laughing matter. You see, you are very caring. That is why I like you. Me too, I'm caring too. Very caring. See, let me tell you something. Secret. Do you know why I'm not married? It's because I'm looking for somebody who is very caring like you. So that as I care for the person, because I'm caring too. So as I care for the person will be caring for me also.
Now you're Menife.
Yes.
I'm in a haste.
But it's good I met you here, Nabu. I actually wanted to see you before. There's something very important I want to discuss with you. Go, man.
I'm in a haste. Please let me go.
Okay, see, I'm not saying that we should discuss it now. You can come to my house later in the evening so that we can discuss it.
Your house?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. I will come, oh?
Okay. Come,
I will.
Hi.
Who are you? I'm all alone. Please, I am not going to hurt you, okay?
Water, please.
I have no water left in this, but I can help you with water if you're thirsty.
And run. They'll catch you when they get here. And they'll kill you. Run.
I told you I'm all alone.
Water.
What's your name?
Why is he running like this? For Chibuzor, the great hunter, to run like this, that means there could be a problem. Let me go back before I become a scapegoat.
place, I saw her with a young man. Yeah.
Yeah, Chibuzor, stop that joke. I warned you about this before we left the Igwe's palace.
Agu, I am not joking. I saw Erimma with my eyes.
Then where is she?
That is what I can explain.
See, what is all you are saying? You are just saying nonsense. You must provide Erimma because you made us look like liars in presence of Dikeh. When I told Dikeh that we carried out the instruction of burning down the house with the girl in it, you must provide Erimma.
See, Ago, Ike, let us stop wasting time with this unnecessary argument. If Chibuzor said he saw Erimma, then let us start combing everywhere before she runs away.
Obina, you don't understand. You are saying this because you were not part of us that went to carry out the assignment. We burnt that house while she was sleeping inside the house. And we waited till the house was completely burnt. So what happened?
Guys, no need arguing this thing. Chibuzor must have seen a ghost. Yes.
You have a point too. That is a possibility. You have a point. You know, we all know that while Erimma was alive, she was both a witch and a sorcerer. So it's very possible that it's her ghost that is roaming around this community.
I had neither seen a ghost nor a spirit.
What did you see?
But that does not mean I won't be able to identify one if I see it. Why are we even arguing? Let us follow Obina's suggestion. We are running out of time.
My friend, lead the way. Lead the way.
Please lead the way. You
Let's
just
go.
Hi. Let's go. We had better see her.
Our people are heartless. Even my own father is in support of the evil plan against my friend Erimma. I am the only one in the entire Amude who knows that Erimma was not in the house during the fire incident. I'm worried about her because I do not know what has become of her.
This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Evil child. No one could tell how she managed to leave the house when everywhere was on fire. Hey!
Papa, is there any problem?
Erimma. Erimma was found by a hunter in the bush of Umuobia community. Our Igwe has sent the youth to go and fetch her. This time, Nemesis will catch up with her. This time, Nemesis will catch up with her. Nemesis will catch up with her.
Why is he running like this? For Chibuzor, the great hunter, to run like this, that means there could be a problem. Chimo, Atoki. Hey! I will be in a big trouble if Erimma is eventually found. Hey! Ghost people. She might tell the Igwe that I was the one who rescued her. What am I going to do now? Hey! If we remain for...
Are you satisfied now? You've searched this entire bush, and yet there's no trace of Erimma.
Chibuzor, why is it so hard for you to admit that the person you saw inside that bush was not Erimma but a ghost? Chibuzor, why have you decided to subject us into this kind of suffering? Chibuzor, why?
Wait. I think we should ask this woman if she saw Erimma. Yes.
Work from morning till night. You will not think of going back home. Come back. What is it?
You're mad.
You must come back to the house. That work is too much. Ha! What is it?
Stop her.
What is it?
Chibuzor, I am out of this place. And I'm going straight to the palace with these my 2 short legs to tell the Igwe that the person you saw inside that bush was a ghost and not Erimma. I'm going.
Okay, wait. Chibuzor, I think I have a plan.
A plan?
A plan. Yes, I have a plan.
Hope it's a fruitful one.
You and this your plan again.
You should end up like Chibuzor here. And you end up being like Chibuzor now.
Erimma. 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 Mama.
How far?
Mama.
Who is Erimma?
Mama, did you see her?
See who?
She was sitting here when I went in to get her water to drink.
Who are you talking about? And by the way, where are you coming from? I went to the farm to look for you.
Mama, I'm talking about a young lady I met on my way back home. She asked for my help, that she's very thirsty, so I brought her home to give her water to drink. She has taken the first cup, so I went in to get the second one. Coming out here, I met her absence.
Who is she?
Mama, I don't know her.
You brought a stranger to our house.
I met her on my way back home. Mama, she needed my help. Mama, I need to look for her. I need to look for her.
Ofo?
Mama, I'm coming.
Ofo, where are you going to?
Erimma! Erimma! This is not a laughing matter. It's not a laughing matter at all.
Who's laughing with you? You of all people, you met a total strange girl in the bush. Then all you could do, Mr. Hepper, is bring her home.
Ezekiel, that girl was helpless. She needed my help. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't just have just left her there.
Can you imagine what you're saying? Eh? Okay, now, she needed your help and you wanted to render her a help.
Yes.
Why didn't you ask her what she was doing in the bush? Eh? How she got there? Then all you could do is you brought her home. As if that's not enough. Now you are not happy with her sudden disappearance.
I am not happy. I am having the feelings that this girl is in danger. She's in trouble and I need to look for her now.
Are you sure you are the one talking?
Yes, I am.
Are you sure this guy has not bewitched you?
At all. I just have to look for her.
See, I'm going home. Oh. I want to go and tell your mother that you're the only brother I have. Oh. Come, let's go home. Afa! Come, let's go.
Go well.
Come, let's see. I don't want to lose you. You're my only brother. Afa Dili. Afa Dili.
Bye. Nani o Menife? Nani? Ugo.
I thought you were not going to come again today.
Anyway, I cooked very late. So that's why I couldn't come earlier before now.
I understand. Whether you come in the afternoon or at night, coming is coming. You are here already. Please sit down. Ugo, you're welcome.
Well, thank you, but please be very fast because it is late already, so that I can be going home earlier.
You just came in. Nobody visits Omenife and lives in a hurry. If you are afraid of going home alone, don't worry, I'll walk you home.
All the same, but please be fast.
I will. Just wait for me. I'm coming, eh?
Okay.
Ugo.
What is this thing doing inside? But I told you I'm not going to stay long now. Nani Omenife. Nani.
Ugo. I am sorry. I was a little bit late. Pardon me, eh? Pardon me, eh?
Uncle, please. Tell me why you called me so that I can be going. No, it's late.
I mean, you just cannot be in a hurry. Eh? You see, I prepared this for you. Let me go and bring your drink. You know I still remember your favorite soft drink. Yeah? So let me go.
Nani, wait. Is this why you invited me?
No. This is not why I invited you. But you know, as you are eating and drinking, then I can tell you why I invited you. Huh?
Nani, thank you very much. If this cooler is what you mean, please, just tell me why you asked me to come.
Well, it's alright if you insist. I can tell you why I invited you, then later you can take the cooler. You see, for some time now, I've been having some feelings for you. And I feel this is the right time to tell you, particularly now that Ofodile is now a grown-up man. You see, I want to take care of you as my late brother's wife.
Yeah! You want to take care of me? I don't understand.
Ugo, what is there that you can't understand? You know, as my late brother's wife, I mean, I can take care of you. I know the way my brother used to take care of you. So I can even do more. So that, you know, I'll be doing those things he's doing, you know.
Hey!
Where are you going?
How? Omenife, what do you take me for?
Sit down. What have I said that is wrong here? Is it the doing or the taking care of?
Manifest, shame on you! Oh, Manifest, shame on you! Here! Go and get yourself a wife. Here! Too bad. Your age mates are now grandfathers. Manifest, stop chasing after widows. Oh! Be useful to your very self and your community.
Ugoma, I'm going to take good care of you.
Daddy! Ibualu! Onyaruala! Mbi! That's what you are! He got! And no fear!
Ugoma insulted me. Mbi! Goat! Odimma. Whatever goes up must come down. You will go. I am going to marry you whether you like it or not. What is it?
Negwe. Thank you very much for the cola nut.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
Well, let me hurry to the farm so that I can be able to do one or two things before the sun comes out.
It's all right. Thank you for coming.
Wait. Did you get any new information concerning Erimma?
Oh, not at all. She has not been found. Our youths are combing everywhere for her.
Don't you think the hunter saw a ghost, like the youth speculated?
Well. They might be correct. But the problem is that the Igwe does not want to take chances. Because there is nothing evil that girl cannot do.
See, for me,
yes,
Erimma is dead. Because I cannot imagine her surviving the fire that burnt down a whole house. I saw the burnt house with my 2 eyes.
I saw the house too. I saw the house with my 2 eyes as well. But no one was sure whether Erimma was inside the house or not as at the time of the fire incident. She might have disappeared during the fire incident. That is the problem our Igwe is battling with.
It's okay. It's okay. See, let us keep hoping that our youths come up with something positive in no distant time.
That is it. Please, let me be going.
It's okay.
Yes.
Go well.
Thank you very much. Hey! This waste is giving me a problem.
It's okay.
This is exactly where I found her yesterday. Where on earth will she be? Ezechina was right when he said I would have found out her identity. But I had in mind to do that. But I never knew that she was going to disappear. Where will she be? I am not going to rest till I find her.
Greetings, great Ofodile, the favored one.
What kind of compliment was that?
You mean you've not heard?
Heard what? Biko, before you distract me, I am looking for somebody. A young lady. Have you seen her anywhere around in this community?
And who is she?
Her name is Erimma. Have you seen her?
Erimma?
Yes.
I've not heard such name in this community.
Okay. She's not too tall. She's average in height. Dark in complexion. Very beautiful. She goes around carrying a bag.
I've not seen anybody like that.
Anyway, if you happen to see her anywhere around, please report back to me, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Meaning what?
Does this mean he has not heard? Or could it be that the rumor is not true? Well, I'll just keep my ears open.
Oh no.
Manifa.
Where is Iche Enuka? I thought he was supposed to be your entourage.
Yes, Ichienuka stopped somewhere to bring something. He will be with us soon.
Oh no, look, we've been sitting here and waiting, and he has not come. Eh? Why don't you just go ahead and tell us about your mission? After all, I'm still the head of the family.
We cannot be waiting. Huh?
Omenife, we are working under instruction. And the instruction is that every member of the family must be here before we pass the information.
Oh no. Has Ofodile committed any crime or what? Tell us.
Odibeze, he has not. We are here for the good of this land.
Okay, he's coming. He's coming.
Okay, that's good.
My elders, you're welcome.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Mama, I hope there's no problem.
No problem, come and sit.
Okay.
Omenife, we came with a message from the gods as directed by the eyes of the gods. We all know that we have mourned our late Igwe. And we know that our late Igwe died without a son. It's time for we to crown a new Igwe. And the gods directed that the dynasty of this land have to move to another family.
Oh no, that is very correct. That is what our tradition says.
After the meeting of the elders in council with the eyes of the gods, we are directed to tell you that the dynasty of this kingdom have moved to this family.
Ichonigbo, is that correct?
Oh yes, oh yes. The lot fell on the eldest member of this family. Yes.
Chere. Oh no. Are you saying that the gods have chosen me to be the next Igwe of this kingdom?
I did not say so. I did not. The gods has chosen Chikelue.
Oh no. We all know that the gods are not blind. And we also know that my husband Chikelue is long dead. So if the gods are talking about the right choice, the eldest of this family is Omenife. So he should be the one to be chosen as the new Igwe of this community.
Odibeze, indeed, the gods are not blind. The gods know that Chikelue is dead. They also know that Chikelue has children. Yes.
Chere. Oh no. Stop dancing around the bush. Go straight to the point. I mean, hit the nail on the head. What are you trying to say?
Omenife, the gods has chosen Ofodile, the first son of Chikelue.
Yes. Yes.
I am still wondering why the gods of our land prefer to choose Ofodele instead of Omanife to be the Igwe of this kingdom. It's Igwe of our land we are talking about here, Umobia. This is not child's play. This is not a child's play.
Enoka, are you also of the opinion that the gods are blind?
No, I am not of the opinion that the gods are blind. I know quite alright, but Omenife would have been the chosen one.
Yes. I want you to remember something. Remember that the gods are not humans. They are spirits. And they perceive things differently from the way the humans perceived. Their decision is final. And you are aware of that.
Ishonwigbo, what about if the eyes of the gods lied to us? What about if they lied to us?
Do you know the gravity of what you have just said? Yes. Why should the eyes of the gods lie to the Igwe's cabinet?
Ishonwigbo, did I say the eyes of the gods lie to the Igwe's cabinet?
Enoka, he who wants to swallow an udala seed will first consider the size of his throat. Yes, so if I will advise you, yes, never to repeat such elsewhere.
Ishonwigbo, I did not say so. I did not say that. Why will I say so? I'm just wondering.
Ofonwa. Namo. What is it? Are you alright? What is the matter?
Mama, I am troubled.
Did anything happen?
Mama, why should I be the one that the gods will choose as the ego of this land? I can't accept it.
Why are you talking like this? Eh?
Mama, can't you see I am too young for that? Okay, how old am I? Uncle Omenife is there. So, I can take it. I am not interested.
Will you stop it? Stop it right now. How dare you? You reject the favor from the gods?
Mama, I am sorry. Okay? I cannot take it. I like the way I am. I just want to be an ordinary person. In fact, I will go and talk to Uncle. Go and talk to him.
About what?
I will go and talk to him.
About what?
I want to tell him to help me tell the no that they should consider choosing another person.
Here! What did you say? Ofa! Ofa! Ofa here! Come back here!
My baby. How are you?
I'm fine.
Stop now. I'm greeting you. You cannot even stop to respond to my greetings. Huh? Why is it that anytime you see me, you squeeze your face and you'll be running? Huh? Am I that ugly for you?
Please, I'm in a haste. My mother is waiting for me. I have to go.
Alright, wait. Did you see my inchi? I cut it.
I've seen it.
All right. Have you heard the latest news in town?
That my brother will soon become the Igwe of this community.
I heard it. Wait. Is that why you stopped me?
No. That is not why I stopped you. You know, it has been in my mind. And I have been looking for the opportunity to declare it open. See, Afama, when you finally become my girlfriend, I'll be bringing this inchi for you to cook egusi soup and ogbono soup. So consider it. Consider me. Just say yes now.
I'm not interested.
Why? Come, look at the way you're shaking your yansh. Come, this will not help you. You are doing it younger. Know me when I'm a nobody now, because very soon I'll be a brother of the Igwe of this community, and then you'll be the one begging me, be the one toasting me. Can you make it shakara? It's alright. Very soon. Nonsense. Know me when I'm poor, know when I become Igwe's brother. Shaking hands. Don't worry, very soon you'll be the one that will be toasting me. I will not toast anyone, I'll be the one doing shakara. Offer, my brother! Come out! I have a surprise for you.
Mama. Where did you get this one from?
Mama, my trap caught this inchi. You know what? We are going to use it to celebrate the good news from the gods.
Bam! Our foe will be very glad for this one.
Yes,
hey! You are a man. You are a man.
Yes, sir.
Hey!
So where's my brother?
Hey!
Alpha? He's here.
This is unbelievable.
Yes!
Is it, China? Your trap caught this?
Yes, my iron trap. My iron trap caught it. And you know what? I just told Mama we are going to use it to celebrate your good news.
Which good news are you talking about?
The good news from the gods of gods. Huh? Ma, what's wrong with him? Is he okay?
Ezechin, I don't know what is wrong with your brother.
Ezechin.
Mama, come and see!
Big one!
Come and see! My trap caught this grass cutter, my trap!
Hey!
Mama. You mean your trap caught this inchi?
Yes!
Give it to me. Inchi. That is what you want to give them to eat. Owoshi. The only thing you have ever gotten in your life, that is what you want another woman to eat. Give me. I will take you to this man. Now.
What's all this now?
Look at you. Ezechin. Go home. If you want to live with them, stay with them. Yeah.
Mama!
You go no moon. Yoshi.
What are you doing this now? Hey, Mama! What's all this now?
Clemente, listen, from today, in Akwanya, I don't ever want to see you with Ugoma and her son. Stay away from them. Did you hear me?
Mama, I don't understand. Huh? What is going on?
I have told you. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Mama, anything like what? Huh?
Listen, from today, don't eat from them again. From what I discovered of late, that Ugoma is evil. She's a very wicked woman.
Evil? Mama, what are you... Where is this coming from? We've been in good terms with these people. So why this sudden accusation?
Ezechina, this one is not an accusation. This is a statement of fact. Ugoma must have bribed Onowo and Co. to name Ofodile her son as the next Igwe of this community. If anyone should be named, that person should be you. I am the first wife of Chikelue. That is my compensation for every suffering I have underwent in this place. Yes! Instead of naming her son.
So, Mama, where did you get this information from?
That is not necessary.
So, what if Ofodile's mother did not bribe the elders?
Ezechiel, don't argue with me. Don't you dare argue with me. I am your mother. Do exactly what I have told you to do. Because I know what is good for you. As for Goma, I know how to handle her. I'm a case of
What is even going on? Huh? Am I dreaming or what? The same Ofodile I just told now that we're going to use this grass cutter to celebrate his good news, and he was sad. Now my mother is telling me they are bad people. Telling me they have bribed the elders to Oh.
We all know that God cannot lie. And we also know that my husband Chikelue is long dead. So if the God talking about the right choice, the elders of this family is manifest. So he should be the one to choose as a new way of this community.
Omenife won't kid him, man. Omenife. Hey. Omenife, I am here to see you concerning our visit to your family in the afternoon. I knew you were not happy with the news. Yes.
Ichenuka, why wouldn't I be happy? No, tell me, why wouldn't I be happy? The gods have made their choice. Or are you here to tell me that the gods change their minds? Do they normally change their minds?
Omenife, you can't stop being funny. At all. It is possible that the gods must have changed their minds. But anyway, please, can we go inside?
Why? Why should we go inside? Why can't we discuss what we want to discuss here?
I am here with a confidential matter. It is not something that we can talk outside here. Please.
You're sleeping. How are you?
I'm fine.
Is your mother in?
She's inside.
Yeah, call her for me. I want to talk to both of you. Goma, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yes. Why you squeeze your face like that? Anyway, I can understand. The reason why I'm here actually is to apologize to both of you because of the way I behaved yesterday during the meeting. You know, I left in anger and I don't really know what came over me. So I want to apologize. Please forgive me. All right? And another thing is that, Ofodile, I want to tell you that I am behind you. This issue of kingship, trust me, believe in me, I'm behind you.
Uncle, I've told my mother that I'm not interested of becoming the king or the Igwe of this land. Yes, let the gods choose another person.
Ofo, mind your utterances before you incur the wrath of the gods here now.
Mama, is it by force? I have the right to make a choice, to say yes, I want, or no, I don't want. I have the right. Is it by force?
Don't make me believe that you are trying to oppose the will of the gods. Like your mother said, mind your own utterances.
Uncle, if the gods wants to kill me, they should go ahead and kill me. Achorum, bonachorum.
I don't think you know what you're about to do. You don't. If the gods decide to unleash their wrath on you, you will not be able to save yourself. Yes.
Talk to him. Talk some sense into his head. Because I don't know what is wrong with him right now.
Ugoma, don't bother yourself. With time you will understand. Meanwhile, the Council of Elders will soon invite you for the preliminary preparation for your coronation. So be prepared though. We'll be there.
Uncle, I cannot do it.
Papa, you are still talking like a kid. You are still talking like a kid. Meanwhile, see. Ofodile, you are still behaving like a kid. Yes. Anyway, I want you to come and see me. Come to my house to see me. Let two of us talk man to man. There are things I want you to understand. Meanwhile, congratulations in advance.
Uncle, what kind of congratulations is that? Did you congratulate somebody for nothing?
Oh, your coronation!
I'm choro no more. I don't want. Also no choro.
Okay.
Is it by force?
You will understand. Ugoma,
congratulations.
I want to go.
I am completely disappointed in you. What kind of a child are you?
Forcing someone to be what he doesn't want to be. Is it by force? Is it by force? Yeah. Oh.
Is this not the lady of Fodile described to me last time? He said she carries a bag around.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Sorry.
Wait! No, stop! Wait! Wait! Why was she looking at me like that? Ofodile. Ofodile. Oh. Greetings, Nne.
You're welcome. Who are you looking for?
Ofodile.
Ofom. Yes, Nne. Who are you?
My name is Ifoma. I have a message for him.
You have a message for my offer?
Yes, Nne.
Okay.
Affordably. Uncle, I know I invited you to my house. Affordably, my son.
Uncle.
You know I invited you to my house. So, but this is still a good place for me to tell you why I invited you. So, but meanwhile, just take palm wine.
Uncle, I don't want to take anything.
Are you joking? I offered you palm wine. You are refusing. I know that you like palm wine like your late father. Why you rejected my palm wine?
Uncle, you're right, but I don't feel like taking anything.
Anyway, you know I told you to come and see me. The reason I invited you, you know, I told you I want to talk to you like father and son. I wasn't particularly happy when I heard you oppose the wish of the gods. Yeah.
Uncle, I can't just help it.
Listen to me, my son. The gods have chosen you. And you don't have any right to say no.
Uncle, the kingship position is meant for the elders.
Wrong. Wrong, affordably. When you get home, ask your mother. Our late Igwe was about your age when he was crowned king. And he turned out to be the best king we've ever had. He was a very nice man. I am of the feeling that the gods program it this way so that you can be the chosen one. And I'm sure you are going to make us proud.
Uncle.
Don't panic, my son. The elders are there to support you in any way if you run into difficulties. I'm sure the gods saw something in you that made them to choose you. Yes. And I'm very sure you will make us proud.
Uncle, I have to go now.
Okay, it's alright, but take your drink.
No, I don't want to take anything.
But I've paid for it now.
Thank you. Shaggy.
I'm not happy. I'm not happy. You are my son. You came to visit me and you don't want to take my cola. It's okay.
What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? Why do I always feel strange every time I come to a place where I'm supposed to get help? I feel like something bad will happen. If I hadn't listened to Ijeamaka, I would not have run away from my village, from my people.
Where did you bring him from?
At Oba Forest, Your Highness. He was hunting with another man.
Where is Erimma? Igwe, I don't know. I don't know who Erimma is. I've never seen her before. Apart from that first day, I set my eyes on her.
I can see that you want to test my patience.
No, Igwe.
Guards!
Yes, Your Highness.
Take him to the guard room and detain him.
But
The truth is that I don't know who Erimma is. Apart from that day I set my eyes on her. Even that day she disappeared. I've been looking for her too. I don't even know where she is.
Take him away. Take him away.
Come on, move.